Alright, y'all. Well, it's January 9th, 2024. And it's really rainy and windy out here. I just got out here, by the way. Um, However, I know this may sound crazy to you, but this is just the beginning. This is not all we're getting. We have a storm coming. It's looking like we're not really going to get much lightning, So that's kind of meh. But we are getting... So there's actually an enhanced risk south of us, but it goes it goes up far north as in North Carolina. Enhanced risk in North Carolina, and it goes all the way from like Florida to North Carolina, and it's January, and it's crazy. But we're getting stormed in January once again. Nighttime, evening storms is what we're looking at. And I know this may surprise you, but we're also getting like a flooding, some high winds, and again. Plus, tomorrow I actually have a 2-hour school delay. Usually I would go to bed at 10:45 p.m. on a school night, but since we have a 2-hour delay at school, that means I don't look at those trees blowing. Can you see it on camera? Apologize if you can't see it on camera. Those 3 trees. Okay, let me turn up the brightness a bit. Oh, that didn't do anything. Now, there is no thunder, and there probably won't be any lightning or thunder in this storm. But this storm is capable of producing very strong winds. You can see those trees blowing. Those are our, are those fern trees? Oh, here comes a wind gust. Alright, so that was probably like 30 miles an hour right here. So we're looking at a storm. Right now we have a general thunderstorm risk for the storm prediction set. Oh, here comes another gust. Something just fell down. Oh yeah, here comes that blast. It's 6:40 p.m. right now, and looks like closer to 10. The screen's probably gonna break. It's probably gonna snap. It's already like ripped, or I mean it's gonna rip. The screen here on the porch is gonna rip. It's gonna rip. The storm winds are probably gonna rip the screen, because it's already super windy. Oh, here. Alright. Okay, I don't want to get hit with a piece of debris. Oh, a power flash! Power flash right there! That was not lightning. That was a power flash. Okay, that's dangerous. You don't want to be near that, because that's AC power. I think it's AC. Oh my god! We're probably gonna get a power outage. I wouldn't be surprised. And this is only the beginning, so it's gonna get a lot worse. The storm might as well be severe warning right now. I don't know about that, but damn. Oh my, holy crap, dude. It's only like 50 degrees too. It's cold. This storm is like, damn. My god, bro. What is going on? And there's constant wind gusts. This is crazy. Was that another power flash elsewhere? I don't know. Definitely not a lightning storm, but might as well be a power flash storm. If there are more power flashes. I know I saw a power flash during that storm on December 11th, 2021. The storm is crazy, dude. You can hear that wind. You can hear. I was in the middle of practicing my violin when all of a sudden this came. Like, average wind speed is probably like 25 miles an hour. Like, it's crazy, dude. Dude, there's like blowing. Oh my, holy crap. Oh my, dude, I'm speechless. And plus, it's gonna get quite worse than it already is. I know that's crazy, but it is. It does. It's gonna get worse than it already is. Because they're like, I don't know, close to 9 or 10 p.m. Looking at a line of showers with embedded thunderstorms, I guess, like as you would expect. With there not being any lightning, we have a storm coming, and it's gonna be like really. It's gonna be like probably wind gusts up to 50, 60 miles an hour, along with really torrential rainfall, flooding. So we might as well. That storm probably, I guess it might be severe warned. Plus, I will be able to stay up late tonight since I don't have to go to school. I don't have to wake up at 6:45 a.m. to go to school tomorrow. So I can be here as long as I want. Oh, here comes another big wind gust. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. Get out of here. Seriously, this is freaking crazy, dude. We got wind gusts up to like 50 miles an hour here. Or maybe, I don't know about 50, maybe like 40 or 45. It's like a freaking... Is there a downburst or something? Oh my god, I'm getting rainbow in my freaking eyes. Oh, calm the frick down. Oh my freaking god, bro. This is crazy. I'm not lying. This is actually happening. This is... Oh, I'm freezing out here. It feels so cold. This severe quote-unquote thunderstorm, they're probably going to severe warn it. I don't know, man. And there's an enhanced risk storm in the south producing tornadoes. Also, with 10% with significant severe tornado probability. Oh, here comes another one. And I'm wearing shorts right now, so my legs are probably gonna freeze. I am wearing a long sleeve shirt though, over a short sleeve t-shirt. We're probably gonna get some branches blown down. Is this the derecho? If you don't know what a derecho is, just look it up. I'm sure some of you... Dude, I think my lens is covered with water. With the rain. And this isn't the only storm we're getting this week. We're also supposed to get another storm Friday night or Saturday morning. And I'm thinking about setting my new Kodak Pix Pro out here, but I'm afraid it's probably gonna get blown down. Here we go again. Okay, that was a solid 40-mile-per-hour wind gust right there. Those trees are about to I feel like so many trees are about to break, dude. Like I wasn't doing this crap when I was out here. Excuse me. Sorry about that, but seriously, dude, this storm is crazy. even without there being any lightning, the storm is probably capable of producing straight line wind damage. Right now, it's just a wind and rain storm, and it's gonna get worse than this. Like, I'm dead serious. We're gonna get 30-mile-per-hour surface winds, closer to 10 or 11 p.m. Sorry, dude, I'm just freaking out. Oh my god, dude, there's freaking water blowing over me, dude, and I'm shivering out here because I'm like anxiety and I'm nervous, but I'm also freezing. I'm not freezing, but I'm cold. Oh my god, here we go again. I think I'm cold because of all the wind. I didn't know this was gonna happen. This is crazy, dude. Imagine we just get a— oh my god, I just saw lightning. Just kidding. Wish I did, but I didn't. But it would have been nice. Yeah, we have a bunch— it's like, we have, like, a bunch of crazy stuff going on. But it's gonna get worse than this. I know. It's, like, we're probably gonna— like, some of these trees, like, those trees are probably gonna snap. Was that lightning, or was that a power flash? That was not lightning. You know, that might have not been any flash. That was a power flash if it was, but because there's no lightning anywhere around us. Oh my freaking god! This is crazy, dude. I'm speechless. But unfortunately, after this, it's gonna be a lot colder for the rest of this month. I know. It sucks, huh? I'm not the biggest fan of snow. Unless it's thunder snow. Then I'll take it anytime. Oh, here we go again. Oh. I don't think that one was as strong as the last one, but I'm going inside now because I cannot do this for any longer. I cannot. This is freaking— okay, I'm surprised we still have power. I'm gonna go see what's going on, but this thing is freaking crazy, bro. Damn. This might actually be one of the craziest storms all year. I don't know about it, but it's definitely gonna be on the top 5. Oh, I think that was our strongest wind gust. Our flag, honestly, I don't have a good feeling about our flag. Rest in peace, flag. I feel like it's probably gonna rip. That sound you hear is the flag. This is freaking crazy, and this is only the beginning. It's gonna get worse than this. I don't know about a lot worse, but quite worse. And it's the storm. We're gonna probably have some wind damage and tree damage and all that stuff. It's just unusual. Like, it's not normal to get storms in January like this. This storm might have April 1st, 2023 force winds. I don't know, maybe gusts up to 70 in a storm. Because April 1st, 2023 had gusts up to 70. I mean, like, this storm might have storm gusts up to 70. Because I do not have a good feeling about this. I think this storm might be capable of producing tornadoes, isolated tornadoes as well. There's only a general thunderstorm risk. Dude, there's gotta at least be a marginal, maybe even a slight risk for the wind threat. Or all this wind. Like, damn. Well, I'm gonna go inside now. I got stuff to do. But I'll be back as soon as possible to record this craziness. Alright, see you in maybe in a couple hours or so.